Hi, I'm Angharad Beurle-Williams. I'm an engineer in the field of sustainable energy, and I'm currently doing a PhD in researching energy from waste. Now, sustainable energy is a very, very broad area, and the exact definitions will change depending on who you speak to. But one thing that everybody agrees on is that real key point to reducing the carbon footprint of our power generation is diversity. This means that when the wind isn't blowing and when the sun isn't shining, we still have the facility to generate power. One really interesting fuel source is landfill. Now, a lot of people, obviously, most of us really don't like to think about the things that we throw out, we just sort of ignore it. But if you look at it from a different angle, actually landfill is actually full of lots of lovely carbon and hydrogen, which are similar to sort of oils and gases and solid fuels like wood and so on that we use at the moment. There are a few different ways to use waste. One of them is incineration, which is quite well established, but actually has a lot of problems. A lot of people, public opinion isn't very high. And so one of the alternatives, the potential alternative, is pyrolysis. Now, pyrolysis is essentially burning a feedstock in the complete absence of oxygen. Doing this, you create solid, liquid and gas products, which can then be used in further processes, including energy generation. To carry out my work, I use a drop tube furnace, which allows me to look at the behaviour of dry solid particles over very, very short and very, very hot periods of time. And this allows us to really establish the fundamental behaviour of these particles and how they decay under heat, which hopefully will lead into a greater understanding of the ways in which we can use landfill and reduce the amount of this precious fuel that we send to be buried in the ground.